A common mistake that people make when thinking about how to build wealth is believing that they need a large amount of money to get started. They fall into the not enough mindset, thinking, I don't have enough money to invest. They assume that unless they can invest $1,000 to $5,000 at a time, they can never become rich. But just like armies are built one soldier at a time, your financial arsenal is also built one small amount at a time. Remember, you don't need to live extremely frugally, because even small amounts can grow into millions if you recognize their potential and start investing early. Money can work for you. The more money you put to work, the faster and the bigger it can grow. More money brings more freedom. The freedom to stay at home with your kids, to retire and travel the world, or to quit a job you don't like. It's important to remember that if you have any income, you can start building wealth today. Even saving $5 or $10 at a time is important. Each small investment is like laying a stone in the foundation of your financial freedom. Once you become financially independent, you're no longer stuck working for someone else, because now you're free to live your life on your own terms by generating your own income.